When it comes to cooking, having the right tools can make all the difference in both efficiency and results. This Tenta kitchen pasta strainer boiling basket is a high-quality, multifunctional kitchen accessory that serves a variety of cooking needs, from draining pasta to steaming veggies. This stainless steel fryer basket is built for versatility, offering an essential feature for anyone who enjoys quick and hassle-free meal preparation. Whether you're cooking ramen, spaghetti, pho, or frying up a delicious batch of fish, the Tenta kitchen pasta strainer can handle it all. Let's dive into why this product is a game changer in the kitchen. Why choose the Tenta kitchen pasta strainer basket? One of the key features that set the Tenta kitchen pasta strainer basket apart from traditional colanders and strainers is its dual functionality. Not only can this basket be used for draining pasta, but it can also serve as a steaming basket, a deep frying basket, and even a vegetable blanching tool. Draining. The sturdy stainless steel mesh design ensures that water drains out quickly and efficiently, whether you're preparing pasta, noodles, or rice. No more struggling with soggy noodles or pasta that sticks together. This strainer allows you to drain and separate food right over the pot. Steaming. After removing the handle, the basket can be placed directly into a pot to steam a wide variety of vegetables or even dim sum. The open design allows for even steam circulation, ensuring that food cooks evenly and perfectly. Frying. The Tenta kitchen pasta strainer basket works wonders as a fryer basket. Its mesh construction allows oil to flow away from fried foods quickly, leaving you with a crisp, golden exterior without the greasy mess. The removable handle of the Tenta kitchen pasta strainer is a feature that makes this product so versatile. You can easily remove the handle when not needed, which means more storage space. The compact design allows you to store the basket easily, even in small kitchen drawers. Easier steaming. Once the handle is removed, you can place the basket directly into your pot, making it perfect for steaming vegetables, dumplings, buns, or even sweet potatoes. Easy handling for frying. The long handle makes it easy to lower the basket into a deep fryer or hot oil while keeping your hands safe from splattering oil. The 1.5 quart capacity of the Tenta kitchen pasta strainer basket is perfect for small to medium portion sizes, whether you're preparing ramen, pho, or any other noodle dish. It comfortably holds up to 1.5 quarts of pasta or vegetables, ideal for preparing meals for 1 or 2 people. It is also perfect for meal prep, as you can easily portion out food for later use. Whether you're cooking for yourself, a loved one, or a small family, this basket offers the portion control you need to cook just the right amount of food without waste. The sizing is ideal for daily use, making it practical and efficient. The Tenta kitchen pasta strainer basket is made from durable stainless steel mesh. This construction ensures the product will last for years, even with frequent use. The mesh strainer is fine enough to catch small pasta pieces or fish fillets while still allowing fast water or oil drainage. Not only is stainless steel highly durable, but it's also resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring the longevity of your basket. The vinyl-coated handle ensures that you can handle hot baskets without the risk of burns. Cleaning after cooking can be a tedious task, but the Tenta kitchen pasta strainer basket is incredibly easy to clean. Simply place it on the top rack of your dishwasher for quick and effortless cleanup. Thanks to its stainless steel construction, it resists stains and odors, making it a low-maintenance tool in your kitchen arsenal. The Tenta kitchen pasta strainer basket features a 7-inch diameter and a height of 3.94 inches. It is perfectly sized for both commercial and residential kitchens. Whether you're using it at home or in a professional setting, this size fits comfortably in most standard pots and pans. Diameter, 7 inches, 18 centimeters. Height, 3.94 inches, 10 centimeters. Handle extension, 6.1 inches, 15.5 centimeters. Why it's perfect for your kitchen? The Tenta kitchen pasta strainer basket isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's an essential tool for anyone who enjoys cooking a variety of dishes. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this stainless steel strainer adds efficiency, safety, and versatility to your cooking routine. Conclusion. This Tenta kitchen pasta strainer boiling basket is a highly functional, durable, and versatile kitchen tool. Its dual functionality, removable handle, and high-quality stainless steel construction make it an essential item for any home cook or professional kitchen. Whether you're boiling, blanching, frying, or steaming, this basket will help you prepare meals faster and more efficiently. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.